Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XDC Network, the obvious choice. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe. And for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including our favorite XDC network, guys. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of XDC at the time of the recording, and let's see what it has been up to lately, guys. By the way, I have a sore throat, so pardon me. Anyways, guys, this is the chart. This is the 7-day chart, guys. The price has broken through the 3 cent mark again. Basically, the 3 cent has become that psychological level, guys. Check this out. The price came down, tested this level, came back up, came down again, and then again. The 3 cent mark is a psychological level, guys. In my opinion, if you look at the monthly chart, XDC is on its way up after that dip, the correction. If you, we might not call it a correction, but a bloodbath, guys, that was happening in the market from a few weeks. XDC came down from 3.5 cents all the way to 2.5 cents almost in the last month. If you look at the yearly chart, guys, it broke through this support level over here, the 4 cent mark. Let's hope that the price goes back up and tests these levels and breaks through, because, guys, it has tested crucial support levels over here. And on the contrary, guys, we are indeed basically testing these levels at the moment as well. The 3 cent mark, like I told you guys, remains a crucial level for XDC network. Let's hope that the price remains above it, because for as long as it remains above it, guys, it will eventually go up and test its all-time highs. Let's hope that it happens sooner than later, because XDC indeed is developing at a tremendous pace, guys, and it is basically forging partnerships. I'm going to be showing you a really interesting post over here, guys, a really interesting one. So check this out. This tweet covers many key players within our ecosystem but fails to recognize XDC. Binance Research, Binance. XDC is the only public network with a bridge to inside R3's Corda. So, what is Corda, guys? R3, basically. R3 is a leading provider of digital distributed technology and services that enable the secure exchange of value in regulated industries. The key word is regulated, guys. It is basically working in regulated industries, and this is the future of finance, which is regulation, and basically trying to do finance in the right way. So this industry will also go towards that realm sooner or later, and XDC is one of those that are the front runners. So check this out. XDC is the only native layer 1 crypto coin to settle a transaction on Corda in POC run by SBI, R3's largest shareholder, guys. So let us check this out. These are some references, links. XDC token triumphs in SBI group experiment for B2B settlement transactions. I really do not like cookies. I mean, yeah, this is from Abdul Karim. Okay, so check this out. The XDC token has successfully passed an experiment for fiat settlement in business to business transactions by SPI XDC Network, APAC, and SBIR3 Japan. This is awesome. The settlement transaction trial using XDC coincided with the second anniversary of the strategic partnership. SBI Group and XDC partnered on May 31st, 2023, guys. So it's been a while since their partnership happened. So let us move ahead. XDC Network is one of four networks integrated into Securitize, which also rightfully makes this list. Guys, do you know who Securitize is associated with? Yeah, you guessed it right. We've covered it before. BlackRock, guys. So check this out. What is Securitize? The leading platform for expanding investor access to exclusive private market alternative assets, from private equity to private credit and more, guys. So yeah, we fit under the category of real world asset rails as a blockchain, hosting access to a BlackRock managed US Treasury fund through the token USTY. So, guys, every one of you is well acquainted with the name BlackRock, so no further introduction required over here, which was issued on and tokenized by Securitize, guys. Regarding commodities, XDC also hosts tokenized gold in the form of SGO, guys. They are tokenizing gold and silver as well, which is highlighted by RWA.xyz. So check this out. Every tokenized real world asset in one place. View the dashboard, join the discussion, so you guys can check this out. Also, XDC is the most obvious choice to fit under the category of trade finance. Guys, what I like about XDC is it is not claiming to be a jack of all trades. It is claiming to be the master of trade finance. If you ask anyone that knows a bit about XDC, the first thing they'll say is that XDC is trying to transform trade finance, guys. So let's see if that metamorphosis takes place sooner or later. We have to see that. But in my opinion, XDC is paving the path forward. XDC Network was the first and only blockchain invited to join the Trade Finance Distribution Initiative, TFD initiative. So, what is a TFD, guys? Basically, it is a consortium of the world's leading banks and non bank financial institutions established to bridge $5 trillion trade finance, guys. Trade finance gap, guys. So, if you look at the market cap of XDC Network at the moment, guys, $478 million at the moment, and we're talking about $5 trillion trade finance gap. If it disrupts even a bit of this huge gap, XDC is going to be worth a lot, guys. This is, I think, maths. Anyways, what is TFD again? TFD initiative, according to their X handle, driven by leading trade finance banks and NBFIs, TFDI thrives on the insights of its members and is built to cater their challenges and opportunities. Awesome. It was also invited to join the ITFA Worldwide's Digital Negotiable Instruments Initiative (DNI). We've talked about this as well, guys. By the way, this is their official Twitter account. You guys can check this out, ITFA. Furthermore, guys, TradeTech, a leader in trade finance developed by USTY, also listed on RWA Let us see TradeTech over here as well. So, guys, what does TradeTech do? TradeTech basically provides the AI-powered collaborative network for trade finance investors and originators to connect, interact, and transact. Awesome, guys. SBIVC official entered into a joint venture with TradeFinex to expand XDC Network's use cases in global economic activities, particularly trade finance. Obviously, we've talked about XDC and its specialty, which is trade finance. So, what is SBIVC, guys? You already know it, guys. That SBI and XDC Network partnership in Japan. It was big news. If you remember, we basically covered it. You can watch the video as well. Trade Trust, a platform developed by the IMDA in Singapore. So basically, they're driving the innovation transformation of Singapore's tech, media, and communication. It also leverages XDC Network to bring advanced document authentication through a framework that complies with the Model Law on Electronic Transferable Records. MLETR, if you do not know, guys, MLETR is endorsed by the United Nations to enhance the security, transparency, and efficiency of cross border transactions. This is awesome, guys. There is no other public layer 1 network which is doing more with trade finance than XDC Network, guys. Both Coindesk and Blockworks are covering the impact of blockchain on trade finance and are speaking with experts within the XDC ecosystem on this subject. Uh, Additionally, guys, in a Coindesk article focusing on the tokenization boom, the CEO or COO of Trade Tech, guys, called trade finance the last frontier in finance. So, what do you guys think about XDC Network, guys? Is it indeed the last frontier in finance? I mean, it is all obviously trying to disrupt trade finance. I would really like your opinions because, as you can see, the market alone, guys, which is worth $1 trillion, and we read that there is a 5 trillion trade gap as well when it comes to trade finance. How much will XDC cost in the long run? We do not know. How much will it cover? How much will it fill this gap? We do not know. But we know that it has the potential, guys. And he also stated that the XDC network is our chosen blockchain on which to develop, guys. So this is awesome. Leaving XDC off this infographic is unacceptable. It is in plain sight. So I think Binance Research has left it behind. They haven't mentioned XDC, so this is why I think that they have reacted over here. This is the agenda behind this post. Yeah, I think so. So what do you guys think about XDC Network, guys, and it being the last frontier in trade finance? I would really like your opinions. Do it in the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.